Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your earbuds Creative Zen Air Pro. You have to start by open Creative application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see this menu. Now you need to go to the settings at the right top, and right here we have firmware version. So firmware version is the same as software. Now tap on it, and you need to tap also at the button at the top, check now. It's checking for updates, and it said that I have the last software version. If you haven't, right here at the top you will see a button install. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!